Hello, in front of me I have Honor 400 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on this device. Okay, so let's begin. In the beginning I will tell you that before you try to repeat what I'm doing, remember that in the settings of your account under the Google, you need to be logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup earlier. It is crucial, otherwise if you won't do it, there is a chance that you won't be able to restore your chats. So simply remember about it. And now open up your WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us, and now click on that green arrow after you selected your language. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. And now click on agree and continue. In here you can click on allow, and now in this bar we need to type our phone number, so that's what I'm going to do now. So just give me a second, and now I just need to simply verify. It won't take long, so don't worry. Okay, and once you have verified, you should have something like that. As you can see, now we have this contacts and media, and now we need to click on continue, click on allow all. Okay, and now as you can see we have option to restore our chats. So now we want to click on restore. Now as you can see the process has started, so we need to wait until it's finished. Okay, 19 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. So let's click on next. In here under the profile info you can type your name. Also, if you are interested in changing the profile photo, you can do it by clicking on that icon right in here. And now simply click on next. Okay, and now as you can see we are ready to use our device, and now simply let's make sure that everything is fine. All of the messages, including the photos and videos, has been successfully restored from our backup. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.